Yes, so it's me. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can.
Okay, so I'm Santiago Carmoya, founder of DXPipe. Today I want to talk about node diversity. What is that? We have our beloved Cardano node. It is written in Haskell, it is robust, it is rigorous, performant, but it has one big issue, which is that we have a single implementation. That means that the same piece of software is replicated across every node in the network. That could be a good thing for maintenance, for operation simplicity, but what happens if we find a bug? What happens if we find a vulnerability in the implementation? One single vulnerability will be spread across the whole network, and that potentially could bring the whole Cardano down. Is this likely to happen? Probably not, but it's a non-zero chance that it happens. And since the stakes are so high, I think we should be paying attention to this and start working on something that could fix the problem. Now, the second big downside of having a single node implementation is not what could go bad, but actually what we are missing out. Because if we have different teams with different backgrounds, using different programming languages, trying to tackle the same problems, it is most likely that they will come up with new innovative ways, different ways to solve those problems. So if one implementation finds a new cool way of solving a specific part of the node, then the other implementations can copy that, so the tide rises for all boats in the Cardano ecosystem. Now, what I think we should do is to build a Rust-based Cardano node. Why the Rust programming language? Because it is efficient, it is very secure, and there's a lot of devs that can help us out with this process. But building the node, it's a very complex puzzle. We need to take care of storage, network, consensus, ledger, and those are just the things that I could fit on my slide. There's a lot of things that you have to put in order to create a node. And I don't think that it's something that you can fit on a Catalyst proposal. In fact, I don't think it's something that any single entity in the Cardano ecosystem right now can tackle. So what we did was in Fund10, we started with this process. The code name for our project is Dolos. The idea is that many years from now, we will be able to have a full-blown Cardano node in Rust. But in Fund10, we started with just a few pieces of the puzzle, storage and network. In Fund10, what we want to do is to continue that path going forward. We won't reach the final destination, but we will be one step closer by adding the ledger component. In fact, a specific part of the ledger, which is phase 1 validations. This is the team. We are DXPipe. We have a proven track record building open source tools in the Cardano ecosystem. This is what we are asking for. The lion's share of the budget goes into development, meaning that the deliverable will end up in an open source repository that you can check out and that people and developers can use and build on top to finally, at some point, reach our goal of Rust-based full-blown Cardano. Thank you. If you have any questions, any feedback, please reach out.